Hey everyone, it's Heather. This is a super important magnetic lash update. Super important. If you are ordering these or if you are thinking about these, then I want to share a few things with you because it's Saturday, and when I don't have to go anywhere or I don't have a wedding to photograph, I tend to experiment with my makeup on Saturdays because why not? It's fun. But I have 3 different sets of the magnetic lashes here that I want to show you and talk about how they are working out for me. Good morning, Stella. I'm talking about my magnetic lashes. Okay, so on my right eye, I am wearing the original magnetic lash, and they can be seen here. These are the original. And on my left eye, I'm wearing the bold. And the bold lash is indeed very, very bold. Look at that. I'm actually, you know what I'll do? Let me put a standard set next to a bold set in this little container so that you can see them right next to each other. Okay, you can see the bolds and the originals, so there's a pretty big difference. Okay, from a distance, this bold looks pretty decent, right? I like it, but it was a lot of work to get it on. It took forever. I still feel like I didn't get it on right. And with the standard, I can put them on in like 2 seconds. They go on perfectly, no fussing, super easy. So if you're going to order these lashes and you're new to the lash game, I would highly recommend that you order the standard and not the bold to start. Because again, from a distance they look good, right? But there's an issue. So as I get closer, can you see how this does not line up right? And getting it to the edge can be a little bit tricky. I'm not sure how this is translating on the Facebook, but I don't like the way the edge is, and it was super hard to get on. I mean, I must have put it on 10 times, and I was fussing with it. Then I ended up with mascara fallout on my face, which was not cool. So I am on the fence about these bold ones. There they are. I will wear them, most likely, but maybe on a date night or something, but it just takes a lot of work to get it to look right versus the standard, which goes on very quickly and very easily. This stuff is very important. Okay, I also got these fillers. So as you can see, they're just short little sections, and they also have accent lashes. And these would be really good for someone starting out. Chrissy says, yes, you can see it doesn't meet up. Looks great far away. I know. What's an acceptable viewing distance for lashes? I don't know. I don't have all of these answers. But, you know, from a distance, I think I prefer my left eye from a distance. But as you get closer, you can see it's just not perfect. Okay, so what I tried to do is put a bold lash, grab that. I tried to put a bold lash on top and a standard on the bottom just to make it less bold, but that didn't work out. It didn't look right. Then I tried to take a bold lash and then have it stay on with just the filler. That didn't work either. So, yeah, that was no good. Mixing and matching them didn't really work. But these fillers are nice if you're new to lashes and you just want to add a little bit more volume and length. You could put these on, a couple of them. They have the accent ones as well. I like this because I could go inward, because you know these sit on the edge. I could go inward with the lash, so I might try that. But I am going to repeat, if you are new to lashes or you've not experimented with them, I don't think I would recommend ordering the bold. I like them. I like bold. I like bold eye makeup, but they were a lot of work to get on. Also, people were asking about the quality and the longevity of the lashes, and I will say this. Here are I put those back in. This is my original standard set that I got several weeks ago, whenever that was. And these ones over here, I wore for several weeks in a row, and they're still in perfect condition. Maybe a couple of the fibers are a little wonky, but they're still in really good condition. However, something very interesting happened. I went to the second pair, and I wore them for one day, and this is what happened. Can you see this one? It went crazy. It's all it's no, like I can't wear it anymore. I don't know if that's just a quality control issue, but if that happens to you, I just don't think it's common. Because I wore the other ones for many, many days in a row, and I did not have that issue. So I'm not sure what happened there, but it was the bottom lash, and I just wore it one day, and I took it off, and I was like, what the heck? It was all crazy. So if you're just joining, Tammy, this is important. I have the bold lash over here. I have the regular lash over here. And from a distance, I like them both, and I like the bold, but look, up close, this bold doesn't line up well, and it was really hard to get it on. I mean, I struggled. I wouldn't give up, no, because I'm persistent, but it was really hard to get on. So I know you got the bold. They're gonna be challenging. The standards are so much easier. The standards are like boom, boom, and they add just enough. Look how nice that looks. But this bold, ooh, it was a struggle. Yeah, it'll be okay. I like them. Tammy says, oh no. I like them. Here they are. I like them. And they look good if you just gotta persist, but don't get frustrated. You know, I had to walk away a couple times. I was getting really irritated. And also when you do your makeup and you're going to be wearing the bold lash, you have to put on heavier mascara in here and more liner, because otherwise, if you try to do maybe like a regular everyday look and you put the bold on, it doesn't blend in well. It's like, oh, light normal makeup, and bam! So I had to put more liner and more mascara here in order to get the bold to blend well. So don't be anxious, because if anybody can figure it out, you can. And I like it. I mean, it looks nice, right? It's just, if you look close, I don't like the way the edges meet up. However, I should say, I need more practice with them. And I think with more practice, I would get better. So there's the bold. There's the regular, which turns out to be my preference. And then we also have the fillers, which I think are nice, and you can build in on the corner. Yeah, these are good. And I think I might put some of these on Mom too. And also, the only ones I don't have that they sell are those accent lashes, which I'm going to assume are just shorter than these ones. I mean shorter, the length, not the length of the lashes, but the strip, I'm assuming. But I'm not sure. I would like to get my hands on a pair so I could try them on Mom. But there's the regular. That's on this eye. I like the regular lashes. They go on super easy. After some practice, if you're used to lashes, then putting them on is no problem. Really easy, quick and easy to get on. Love these. Easy to remove. The bold ones, which I'm wearing on my left eye, I think look good, but oh, they just require a lot more effort and work, which is okay. If it's date night, then it's going to require more work. But again, I'm not crazy about how they're lining up at the end. So that's my magnetic lash update. Would I recommend these lashes? Absolutely. I love these ones. I love them. But get the standard. I beg of you, get the standard. Try those first. Wear them for a while. See if you like them before you move on to something like the bold. It's just going to be trickier to get used to. Anyway, you're welcome, Tammy. Thank you. Have a great Saturday, and I'll see you soon.